Hey guys, so we have the Dali Concept 6 speakers, and the problem is that I purchased them without any spikes, so they're just standing on the floor, which is, well, let's say just not the best thing to do. So, on the second side you can see it's exactly the same situation. So what I did, I purchased the second-hand spikes on the stickers, and this is basically how they look like. Here's the little spike that should go on the speaker itself, and here is the part which is going to go on the floor, and all of them are going to be connected. And I'm going to show you how to properly attach them to your speakers to make sure that everything is perfectly fine. First thing first, since we're talking about the bottom of the speaker, we definitely need to lay it down just to have it access to the bottom, and of course we need to be careful to not break anything, so I'm just gonna drop the pillow and put it on the side. So now we have the laying down Dali Concept, and here is the bottom part. You can also purchase the spikes that basically screw in these slots, but I didn't have them, so we're gonna use the adhesive paper or whatever just to stick them. Just to make sure that the sticker actually holds in place, I definitely recommend to degrease the surface where we're actually going to apply the sticker. So I'm going to use the white spirit and basically just put it a little bit on the paper towel, and then we just make sure that don't spill all of it on the ground. Your wife is not going to be happy. And then just clean all the surface where we're gonna put on the sticker, just to make sure that it's gonna hold in tight. When that is done, we're gonna take the 4 stickers that are included in the set of the spikes. By the way, the link to the Skypes is in the description of this video, and what we're gonna do is just unpeel each of them, and I believe I'm gonna attach them on exactly on the place where the screws are. The only thing that worries me a bit is that since there's the metallic and there's the wood or whatever, it's a plastic, and then there's like the empty middle, I'm a bit afraid that the sticker will not hold on, but let's see how it goes. So there we go, this makes us one speaker, and I got a little bit confused in the beginning trying to undo all of these stickers, but yeah, it is what it is, it's not too easy. But yeah, the spike goes on the speaker, right, and this is how it should look like, and just give me a second to make it ready with the second speaker. With the second side we do the same stuff, pull it down on the pillow or something soft just to make sure that you don't damage the speaker. Then we degrease it. Smells very good. Just make sure that it dries properly and start to apply the adhesive or whatever you call it. So when that is done and we have both speakers laying on their sides with the freshly spikes attached, the only thing that we need to do is to grab these little things where the spikes actually need to go inside and put them under the speakers, under the spikes. To do that, I believe, I'm not sure, but I think the most convenient way will be to just stand the speaker and then put them one by one. So let's try to do that. As you can see, the speakers are up. And now we have these 4 plates to put under, which hopefully is going to be an easy task to do. There's one. There's 2. Be careful, I already see there's a small dot on my floor, so you can easily damage it. There's 3. And the last one. There's 4. Now you can put them back in place. There we go. And now we have the spikes on both of the speakers. I can try to show you from the bottom how it looks like. Yeah, so they're standing on the spikes. Same on the second one. Hope this was helpful. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.